exhale.
To wax or not to wax down there? This is a hilarious guide. Ladies and gents and curious souls, today we tackle the ultimate beauty dilemma. Should you wax the Taj Mahal or let the jungle thrive? Let's dive in. So, why should you wax? Imagine your nether regions smoother than a dolphin's back swimwear. Flawless! Underwear? Whoa, no rope bushes picking out like nosy neighbors. Oh shit! No more crotch sandpaper situations, baby. But yeah, your tiles will thank you for your friction-free life, baby. Oh, your confidence level is now Beyonce. I see.
Carry on.
But yeah, nothing says I woke up like this, like a wax bikini line. But then, even if you actually woke up screaming into a towel. But sure, I understand. Your first time may feel like a tiny elf ripping off a band-aid repeatedly. But hey, remember pain is a beauty sweat cousin. Whoa, what's that? An ingrown hairs? Oh, the unwanted comeback we never wanted. You see, sometimes your hair rebels like surprise. Hey, I'm back. And I brought friends. Shit. Oh, that's the cool red bumps plotting against you, bro. Damn! I thought it was a zombie rising from the ground. I never knew it was an ingrown hair rising. Your maintenance at this level should be high effort. So you see, waxing is like a subscription service. You cancel once and cures returns. Say hello to an awkward stubble hug. So babe, should you wax? Well, if you love silky confidence and hate surprise itch attacks, I guess maybe you should. But then, if you are team let it grow, whoa. Okay, maybe you should rock that jungle like a Tarzan's happy cousin. Whoa, what's it? Oh, he's trying to bury his nut. Woo! So, guys, drop a comment. Are you team wax or team AU natural? And please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and follow me on Facebook because next we are debating about nose hair. To trim or not to trim? Well, I'm just kidding. So guys, do well to go get wax down below. If you know you have not gotten wax down below, try your possible best to get today. So you will look fresh like my baby. Don't you like what you're seeing? Of course. I hope to see you on the other side of the lecture, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me to this end. Do well to share with your friends, and I will see you on the other side.
Give us a like and follow us for more videos.